Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our previous video lecture of standard 10th of linear equation with two variable, we have studied how to solve the pair of equations which are not in linear form, right? Which are not in linear form, and how we can find out the values of x and y. Students, in our today video lesson, same things we are going to do over here, but the format of the questions is little bit advanced. Okay students, in our previous video lecture we have studied if suppose in numerator is any integer and in denominator a single variable. And similarly, students, in our today video lesson, in denominator there is two variables, right? So students, first of all, your target is to be what? Convert these linear equations in a general form. Okay students, so whenever you are converting the these kinds of linear equation in general form, the variable will be changed, right students? How you can consider the variable? Students, here you can see that in denominator of 10 there is x plus y, and same way in the second equation in denominator of 15 there is x plus y, right students? And in denominator of 2 over here x minus y, and in denominator of 5 over here x minus y. It means you can get the ideas that if we are considering something to the x plus y in place of 1 upon x plus y, and we will consider another variable in place of 1 upon x minus y. So resulting equation will be linear equation with two variable with two different variables. Okay students, the variable you will have to keep it in mind whenever you are converting these linear equation in the general form. The variables will be changed. Okay students, you can't consider the same variable. Okay, let us see over here. First of all, considering, let 1 upon x plus y is equal to a, and similarly here we can write what? 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. So students, this equation will be resulted into 10. In place of 1 upon x plus y we are writing what? A, and similarly 2 in place of y x minus y we are writing b. So what we are getting? 4. This is equation 1. Similarly students, here this equation will be resulted into 15a plus 5b is equal to minus 2. Okay students, here we are getting the linear equation with two variables. The variables are what? A and b. Variables are what? A and b, and initially the variables are what? X and y. Okay students, so first of all our target is to what? Find out the value of x and a and b. So how you can find out the value of a and b? We have learned graphical method, elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. Students, in our previous video lecture I have told you that whenever you are getting the linear equation with two variables and you want to find out the value of variables, go through elimination method. Which method? Elimination method. Okay students, to eliminate a or b we will have to equate the coefficients. So suppose you want to eliminate a, you want to eliminate a, the coefficient of a is 10, here is coefficient of a is 15, and you want to eliminate b, the coefficient of b is 2, and here coefficient of b is 5. Okay students, so our target should be what? We should multiply the multiply with such a number that should be minimal, the smaller integer. If we want to equate the coefficients of same variable, our target should be what? We should multiply the smaller integer through which it will be easy to subtract or add. Okay students, so if we multiply the equation 1 with 5 and equation 2 by 2 in such a way that the coefficient will be b will be 2 5s are 10, and here the coefficient of v will be 2 5s are 10. That's why we are writing over here equation 1 multiplied by 5 minus equation 2 multiplied by 2. Okay students, by doing this operation we can eliminate b from this equation. So we are multiplying the equation 1 with 5. So what we are getting, 50a plus 10b 20. Okay, and in equation 2 multiplying by 2, so we are getting 30a plus 2 5s are 10b, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, so minus plus, so 10b and plus minus 10b, so 50a over here is minus 30a, so 20a, right? And here is 20 plus 4, 24. Okay, so what about a? A will be 24 by 20, cancelling by 4, 5s are cancelling by 4, 6. So the value of a is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Now students, you will have to put in 1. Putting in 1. Where you will have to put this equation? In 1. So in 1 you can see that 10a plus 2b. 10a. The value of a is 6 by 5 plus 2b. 2b is equal to 4. So 5 2s are 10. So 2 into 6, 12 plus 2b is equal to 4. Therefore 2b is equal to 4 minus 12. 2b is equal to minus 8, and b is equal to minus 8 by 2. Therefore b will be minus 4. Okay students, here we are getting the value of a is 6 by 5, and the value of b is minus 4. Okay, so we can substitute these things. The value of a is 1 upon x plus y. 1 upon x plus y is equal to 6 by 5, and here is 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 4. So converting this equation means we can take in the reciprocal on the both side. So x plus y will be 5, and here is 5 by 6, 5 by 6, and here will be x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is 3 and this is 4. So students, we want to find out the value of x and y. So what we will do over here? Equation 3 plus equation 4. If we are doing this this way, we can get what? X plus y means x plus y is equal to 5 by 6, and x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 4. We are adding, you will have to keep it in, we are adding. Okay, so this will be subtracted, x plus x, 2x, here is 5 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Okay students, so 2x is equal to we can do the cross multiplication, otherwise we can take the LCM. Okay, suppose we are taking the cross multiplication, 20 minus 6, 24. So 2x is equal to 14 by 24. This will be cancelled out, 7 yeah. So x is equal to 7 by 24. Now putting in equation 3. So putting in 3 over here, x is 7 by 24 plus y is unknown 5 by 6. right? So we want to find out y. Moving to this side, 5 by 6 minus 7 by 24. Okay student, so the value of y will be what? 24 will be LCM, 24 divided by 6, so 4. So 5 into 4 minus 24 divided by 24, 1. 7 into 1. So what we are getting? 20 minus 7 divided by 24 means 13 upon 24. In this way we can find out the value of x and y. Students, due to some technical issue, let us see the solution of question 2 digitally. I hope students you have understood today video lesson. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravisirjee Maths. Thank you.